Ratchet, come in.
Is that Captain Quark?
Tell me that bonehead is still here.
Well, I'll be Scrunch's uncle. Where'd you come from?
There's no time to explain. We need to stop Nefarious from reaching the clock. We're on our way to the station now, but you have to find a way to stall him.
Way ahead of you, Ratchet. In fact, I'm further undercover than I've ever been before. Ever. In fact, when we get home, let's never talk about this again.
We will meet you outside the station. Out.
Alright, we're here, but I don't see anyone. Anyways,
Ratchet, come in. I'm on an asteroid inside the main perimeter. Come meet me as soon as you can.
I have triangulated Captain Quark's position. Syncing to your nabulet. Now.
Let's go find Quark. I have a feeling he's agreed to meet.
Hey, look who it is! Welcome back, little guy. I'm glad you're here. You know who was a terrible sidekick. Some people just don't take online at work seriously.
Hey, I'm not the one sitting on the sidelines while everyone else marches into certain death.
It's good to see you too.
Sit on the sidelines and let this baby go to waste? It's one of those cool smoke bombs the spies use. You know, for making quick and fancy getaways. Oh, forget it. Here, it's my most ingenious, foolproof plan yet. The nefarious space station. An impenetrable fortress fraught with danger and, windows. Using my feminine wiles, I was able to convince the custodial staff to temporarily reroute the South Wing trash chute. This will be our point of entry. With the motion sensors deactivated, we should have smooth sailing into the South Wing. Harnessing 8 years of high school theater workshops, I will remain undercover as the lovely Shannon. My objective will be to escort you here. Oops. That's a vacation picture from the Mactar Resort Single Mingle. Don't know how that got in there. I'll escort you here to a conveniently exposed thermal exhaust port. We will then endure rigorous calisthenics until we have lost enough body fat to squeeze through the port.
Maybe I should handle this part of the mission.
I heard the Star Trek were pretty good capture, so I can rescue them.
Sure, that sounds quicker. Now, that port leads directly to Nefarious's personal quarters. Using the gigamorphic holoray, you'll be able to scan him and create a holographic disguise for Ratchet. With the disguise engaged, we should be able to breeze past the guards and infiltrate Mission Control, where we'll use the main security terminal to atomize every docked ship in the fleet. With Nefarious trapped like a rat and the clock safe, we can contact galactic authorities so that I may bask in the awesome glow of their admiration.
I guess that plan could be alright. What do you think?
Alright, I have to ask, what's with the nurse's outfit?
Ingenious, isn't it? It's part of an elaborate deception plan. It mostly involves a lot of hip swinging and puppy dog eyes.
Well, white's certainly your color.
Oh, thanks. I always fancied myself a winter.
I really love when you close the doors.
Here we are.
And I mean,
The final showdown between good and evil. Can you smell that? That's drama, baby.
I smell something, and it's definitely not drama.
Hey, look on the bright side. At least we're not being squished to death by the pistons.
Trash compactors initiated. Prepare to be compacted.
No, you
Cover me! I'm about to do something impressive.
Right. Now again, the dangerous situation.
Even your arms burning. Calves looking good.
What we got this mess into now?
Blockage detected in trash compactor 714. Shutting down compactor.
Ratchet, did you hear that? I did it! Ha-ha! Technology! I just made you my... That one was a little too close.
The troopers will be here any moment.
Stop
we need
playing
to keep
around
moving.
and get serious for once.
The maintenance sector is crawling with Nefarious's goons. This might call for a little finesse. Watch and learn.
Oh, damn it.
Hello there. I'm Nurse Shannon. This is Dr. Archibald von Fuzzy Pants and his robotic intern, Gundolf Metal Sprocket. Dr. Nefarious is expecting us.
You are not authorized. Prepare to die, Nurse Shannon.
Smooth move,
How did
man.
I not fall
Smooth
for that?
move. All we gotta do is ourselves. God damn it, I hate this. See, bro, stop playing around like idiots, guys. Could just be mad at that. But no. I just come back and see all that crap. Or, you don't really are pathetic.
Nice work. Clank, Phase 2 is your part of the mission. Up into the vent and head for Nefarious's office. We'll, cover you from here.
Please go, Clank, before I get angry.